We're extraordinarily pleased to be in the new hospital here in Naga as part of our project Taghoy. Taghoy, of course, meaning to whistle in Filipino. We've visited the Philippines each year since the early 80s. I have to say, this is a tremendous facility, and we've had outstanding help from the local government and of course, the mayor himself.
Ngunyan po, nagkakaigwa kita ning medical mission na pigkakandak kang Uplift Internationale. Ini po, pangatlong beses ng ginibo sa satong syudad, espesyalmente sa satong hospital.
On behalf of the Rotary Club of Naga, we are very grateful to Uplift Internationale for allowing us and giving us this opportunity to be part of this very noble cause. We are giving free surgery to cleft lip, cleft palate, and facial deformities in children, and it is indeed a very inspiring experience, especially that this is my first time.
We're extraordinarily pleased to be able to be here and be able to fix many cleft lips and palates in young children that will otherwise have had a difficult time in life. Instead, they'll move forward looking like their peers, and really the sky will be the limit for them.
Ako po ay malaking pasalamat ako po sa lahat kayong mga membro ng nakakatulong sa amin.
Dako lang tabang po para sa muya ini pong libreng programa. Salamat po sa Naga City General Hospital po, tapos kay Mayor po.
Here in Naga, our top priority remains centered on the enhancement of our social services in health, education, and more. We highly believe that these factors highly contribute in the welfare and further development of our citizens.
I would also like to congratulate, of course, Metro Naga Development Council and, of course, the Naga City Government. Congratulations to Honorable Nelson Legacion. This is another true testament to your brand of good governance. Masasabi talaga natin na pag si Mayor Son Legacion, mabilis magdesisyon.
Every member of our team pays their own way, and they all do it so they have the opportunity to pay it forward and give back to people that are less fortunate than us. It's truly the best week of the year when you're able to give back to other people.
On behalf of the City Government of Naga, we wish to congratulate each and everyone for the successful start of our week-long surgical mission here in our city, the project Operation Taghoy. We also wish to formally welcome you tonight, our guests, especially the volunteer doctors and nurses of Uplift Internationale, our deepest appreciation and gratitude for bringing this free surgical mission to Naga.
In behalf of Metro Naga Development Council, we wish to thank our partners for the successful conduct of Operation Taghoy. We look forward to more partnerships with your group, and may you continue to be blessed with your advocacies in Mending Faces, one child at a time.